This is the tornado movie. So, don't hate on me. GRRRRRRRRRRRR. It's too boring to wait here for a tornado warning.
Same here.
Warning! A NIF 5 tornado with 7 vortices is coming to destroy Plotagon, Oklahoma. All people must go to bunkers. As for storm chasers, go chasing.
You know what this means.
Let's get chasing. Alright, let's place a probe.
Okay.
Let's run.
Okay.
Alert all people, evacuate immediately and go to bunkers.
Meanwhile, Team Highport. I will use Sofa to pretend it's an interceptor or car.
Come on, Toad. Go faster.
Let's deploy since Highport 3 can withstand if 5.
Okay.
Deploying. Deploying success.
H. Cock. The tornado got away at us. We survived. Oh no! Why is this tornado so strong? I'm gonna get H. Dings.
Oh no, go faster, car.
Oh no! There are debris everywhere.
Oh no, our windshield broke. Oh, we're safe.
Let's scan this tornado.
What?
Wind is 230 miles per hour.
We gotta go now.
Meanwhile, Storm Meter 1.
There isn't rain. That's off.
We are in a bad and brutal spot.
Oh no! Come on. It's too late. We're done for.
Meanwhile, MTS 2. I will deploy now.
Deploying. Deploying success.
H. Oh, it's roping out. Hooray! I'm safe. Respect to the ones who got terminated and lifted.